Hello everyone, Mego Ivazian here from Houston. Today we're gonna talk about one of the looks of the collection 2026 Ombra Di Luce, which is the golden dawn, Alba Dorata. This inspiration, it comes from the first when the light touched the hair, from the golden hours, which is everything is calm and relaxed, you know. That gives you, whenever you look at the look, that gives you that emotion, the vibrancy, but the softness, and you can see the light is touching the hair and the balance and the movement in the hair.
Sectioning, Part 5 sections, triangle fringe, triangular crown section with a V-shaped parting below the crown from parietal to occipital, and triangular sections behind each parietal ridge extending to the apex. Step 1. Starting in the back, take a 1/4 inch slice diagonal back subsection, applying Formula 1, back combing from the center. Do this for both sides of your V. Step 2. Continue your section alternating between weaving and slicing following a V parting, misting with Chi bond and seal as you go. Step 3. For your triangle at the crown, take horizontal 1/2 inch subsections, back combing and weaving, applying Formula 3. Step 4. Beginning your fringe, take 3 back-to-back 1/8 inch horizontal slices. Step 5. After your 3 slices, begin taking medium weaves. As you move through this section, take larger subsections. Be sure to backcomb each section. Step 6. Apply Formula 2 to the roots of your foiled sections. Step 7. Slightly melt Formula 2 and apply to remaining roots of the hair outside of the foils. Step 8. Apply Formula 2 from root to end to your 2 parietal sections. Step 9. Apply Formula 4 to your mid-shafts and ends of the remaining hair out without foils in the front, melting into roots. Step 10. Apply Formula 2 to the hair remaining outside of the foil and in between your foils. Process for 30 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water for 3 to 5 minutes. Step 11. Rough dry the hair and apply Formula 5 to your blonde sections. Rinse and shampoo with Royal Treatment Color, gloss protecting shampoo and conditioner. Haircut. Step 1. Part fringe into a triangle. Part from apex ear to ear and clip. Step 2. Starting in the back with the head tilted forward, cut to desired length with 0 elevation. Step 3. Part a triangle at the crown. Elevate to 180 degrees, twist and slide cut upwards to create a guide. Step 4. Take a V section below the guide. Elevate to 180 degrees, slide cut at an upward angle. Step 5. Part in 3 vertical sections. Elevate each section to 90 degrees, cut diagonal upward above the hand to blend. Step 6. Take V from apex to parietal on both sides and merge. Step 7. Take the guide from the crown and twist with V section. Elevate to 180 degrees, cut at an upward angle. Step 8. For the fringe, comb down, twist twice, cut straight across at 0 elevation. Step 9. Clean up the disconnected pieces. Step 10. For face framing, take section from apex to the temple. Slide cut downwards to blend with the fringe on both sides. Step 11. From the ear to the apex, elevate to 180 degrees and point cut to blend. Step 12. Take the fringe, elevate to 180 degrees and over direct to the back. Twist once and straight cut.